In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Payhip account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Payhip website. Payhip is a platform that allows you to create a free online store and sell products such as digital downloads, courses, memberships, and other online content. If you're new to the platform, this is the first place where you'll begin setting everything up. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look for the button that says Get Started for Free. This is the main sign up option on the site, and it will take you directly to the account registration page. Go ahead and click that button to continue. If you're following along on a desktop or laptop, it should be easy to spot near the main section of the page. On mobile, you may need to scroll slightly depending on how the page displays. After you click Get Started for Free, you'll be taken to the registration form. Here, you'll need to enter your full name, your email address, and a password. Make sure you type your information carefully, especially your email address, since this is usually important for account access, notifications, and future verification. When creating your password, choose something secure that you can remember easily. A strong password is always a good idea when setting up any online account. Before moving on, it's worth double checking the information you entered. Small typing mistakes can slow things down later, so taking a few extra seconds here can save time. If everything looks correct, you're ready for the final step. Now click the Create Account button. This will submit your registration and create your new Payhip account. Once that's done, you'll be able to move forward with setting up your store and exploring the platform's features. And that's it. Creating a Payhip account is a quick process and only takes a few moments. Just go to the Payhip website, click Get Started for Free, enter your details, and select Create Account. If you're brand new to selling online, this is a simple first step toward launching your digital storefront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.